Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all quick weight loss diet plan with the help of which you'll be able to lose 4 kgs in 7 days very easily. Now why quick weight loss diet plan? Recently my lots of clients asked me for a diet plan in which they could easily lose 4 kgs to 5 kgs in 7 days so that they could look confident and feel confident in a social event that they had to attend. So came across this quick weight loss diet plan which worked wonders for all of my clients, and so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com and WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with quick weight loss diet plan with the help of which you can easily lose 4 kgs in 7 days very easily. Starting with our early morning drink, for which I'll be giving you fat cutter drink. Now this drink works wonders for bloating, water retention, any kind of swelling in the body. At the same time, also if you're suffering from any kind of gastric issues, this will work wonders. All you have to do is simply in 2 glasses of water, I'm boiling here some mint leaves and some lemon. Yes, do not use only squeezed lemon. I'm cutting the lemon and putting the veggies into it. Let it boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. To this, then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of green tea and turn off the flame. Do not boil the green tea. Let this drink steep for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then drink it warm, empty stomach. You'll be amazed to see the fat loss result with this tea, and the belly fat will be reduced to a greater extent. Proceeding towards our breakfast option. The first option for breakfast will be, of course, a smoothie bowl. Why do we always choose fruits for breakfast? Because first, they suppress the sugar craving of the entire day, helps to detoxify your system in the morning itself, and does not provide any kind of bloating or water retention throughout the day. So here is the recipe of my smoothie bowl, which is very nutritious, high fiber, and at the same time delicious in each and every manner. Again, delicious and yummy in each and every manner, highly easy to prepare, and contains lots and lots of good ingredients as well. You can use any fresh seasonal fruit available for your fruit smoothies like watermelon, banana, apple, cherries, berries, whatever is available, and prepare your fruit smoothie in a very healthy and nutritious way. It is a very easy to carry and quick breakfast option for all the office goers as well. Second recipe for quick weight loss breakfast will be, if you're an vegetarian, then you can always have eggs. Have 3 boiled eggs. You can even have yolk along with it, because we want the fats also in this diet plan so that we can sustain for the entire day. Avoid any kind of salt over the boiled eggs. You can always add roasted jeera powder, black pepper powder, or oregano and chili flakes and season it with that. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack, which will be, you can have either fresh coconut water. Do not use the packaged one in any form. Or if you cannot have fresh coconut water, then you can always have 1 banana. Now why banana for this diet plan? Because banana is a rich source of potassium and at the same time kills any kind of constipation issues when it comes to passing stool. So you can always have banana when it comes to your constipation issues. Proceeding towards our lunch option, and as usual, 1 hour before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Have it 1 hour before your lunch. Why? First, it will help you to suppress your sugar cravings of the entire day. Second, reduces any kind of blood sugar spikes when it comes to your lunch or food intake. Third, boosts metabolism, at the same time helps to detoxify your system very quickly. Proceeding towards our quick weight loss lunch recipes. The first recipe would be, you can have any of the 3 recipes, keto friendly recipes of paneer. Here are the 3 complete recipes that you can follow: paneer bhurji, paneer makhni recipe, or you can even have shahi paneer recipe. Yes, you can definitely have these recipes for your lunch for this diet plan because they contain high amount of protein intake. At the same time, does not make you feel any kind of constipated or keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. Along with that, you can have curd or salad as per your own preference. You can use 50 to 70 grams of paneer in these recipes and prepare a good full bowl of it. It's healthy option for carb-free lunch. Proceeding towards our second option for quick weight loss lunches, you can have masala or veggie oats. Now the recipe for veggie oats is yet again upon my channel. Here is the complete recipe. We'll keep this diet plan a little low in carb intake so that we can see a good weight loss result, at the same time making sure that we do not feel hungry throughout the day. You can add lots and lots of veggies to this masala oat recipe. I'm adding here capsicum, onion. You can add any seasonally available vegetables in this and enjoy your delicious nutritious veggie oats. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack, which can be, if you are a tea or coffee lover, then you can always have tea or coffee as per your own preference. But please make sure to consume no sugar to it at all. Do not add any kind of refined sugar or any kind of sweetener to it. You can always use stevia but avoid at the first place. Along with a cup of tea or coffee, you can always have 30 grams of high protein seed mix. Here is high protein seed mix which is organic in nature and at the same time very easily available in the market. The link is given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily from Amazon, and this will keep you satiated for good 4 to 5 hours of the evening. Proceeding towards our second option for mid-evening snack is you can always have 1 cup of matcha tea as well. Now why matcha tea? 1 cup of matcha tea contains the antioxidant levels of 10 cups of green tea. So we always prefer matcha tea instead of green tea. Link is given in the description box below. You can go and buy organic detox matcha tea and give your weight loss journey a good boost. Proceeding towards our quick weight loss dinner options, for which we'll have 2 options. The first is veggie soup. Now the complete recipe of my delicious veggie soup is yet again upon my channel. Here is a complete recipe. You can have a good full bowl of it, and trust me, this will not make you feel hungry for at least throughout the night. If you cannot have this, you can always have anar or pineapple raita. You can have a good full bowl of 250 grams of anar or pineapple raita as per your own preference. You can even substitute this with apple or papaya or any fruit of your own choice, but make sure to use Greek yogurt or low-fat curd for this dinner option and have a good full bowl of it. You'll feel definitely blessed and happy having this because this will suppress all your sugar cravings as well, and definitely you'll see a number going lower on the scale next morning very easily. And now proceeding towards our bedtime drink, which we'll have before going to bed, which can be, first option is chamomile tea. Why chamomile tea? 1 cup of chamomile tea can definitely suppress your stress levels of the entire day and give you a good night's sleep. People suffering from insomnia should definitely try this tea for good 8 hours of proper sleep, and you'll be amazed to see the weight loss results as well, because 8 hours of sleep is very important when it comes to your weight loss journey. At the same time, this tea also helps in calming your nerves out, so your metabolism is as well as boosted up with this tea. If you cannot have this, then you can always have ajwain or jeera water, because it helps in water retention suppressant and at the same time also kills any kind of constipation issues or swelling in the body as well. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail, so that we are hydrated enough, and at the same time all the bad toxins are removed very quickly with this diet plan. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number. and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin your weight loss journey. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meals or diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you very quickly. Follow me on Instagram and stay updated for all the upcoming what I eat in a day, time transformations, and highly motivational quotes as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.